Sharpening these saws is a high art, but we'll go over the basics. There are 4 cutter teeth between each set of rakers. The cutters score the wood on both sides of the kerf, and the rakers scoop out the waste. This saw cuts aggressively in both directions. This pattern is ideal for greenwood and softwoods. Using a spacer board, I'll mount the saw in the face vise. You can see that the saw forms an arc from one end to the other. This makes cutting efficient, as only those teeth directly engaged in cutting are bottomed in the kerf at any given time.